After I reported Alan Vinicum and family to the Federal Trade Commission for exploitation and abuse of vulnerable persons, I went on vacation. Now I'm at my home where I stay during winter. I see a subscriber bot con going on, and I offer my observations. I allege SubscriberBotCon because instead of admitting he receives and purchases subscribers like many other YouTubers, he denies it. Based on concurrent notes, captured and downloaded videos to a 1 terabyte external hard drive where Alan's words can be revisited, I have plotted applicable data related to subscriber bots on this graph. Getting 1,000 real subscribers takes time. In fact, according to a report in September 2017, a website that analyzes the activity on social media states that on average it takes 22 months for a YouTube channel to reach 1,000 real subscribers. Armchair Detective joined YouTube December 18, 2017. Add 22 months and you get October 18, 2019 as the day that Armchair Detective should have reached 1,000 real subscribers, unless the activity is unusual. And I say it is unusual because on October 18, 2019, Armchair Detective claimed 42,800 subscribers. 41,800 more than expected if subscribers were real. But it's even more suspicious. His first upload is March 28, 2018. He had no content to subscribe to between December 18, 2017 and March 28, 2018. Add 22 months is January 28, 2020, more than 2 months away from today. But purchase of 300 subscribers per week gets your channel to 1,000 subscribers in less than 1 month. And purchasing subs is the Armchair Detective's method. To become famous and make his channel appear popular, Armchair Detective and Associates purchased subscribers, a fictitious social proof promotion, simply a number. A number to induce the viewer to presume each is a real person, but the viewer doesn't comprehend the deception. Purchases began in 2018, long before the evidence in the Watts case became public. Fictitious subscriber activity demonstrates the temporary nature of buying subscribers. Buyers must circumvent the termination of accounts to avoid losses as seen on Armchair Detective's channel during this past summer. For 2.5 months, Armchair Detective and Associates barely kept pace. The impersonation scams, the falsehoods, the plagiarism, the copyright strikes, the distribution rights violations, all the legal troubles, the diversion attempts to take down critics' channels took a toll, and subscriber bot gains barely kept pace with subscriber bot losses, as seen with the net loss, where his channel hovered around 40,500 subs for about 2.5 months. All subscribers since July 1st are known fictitious. That is about 4,500 as of November 11th. With this upload, I'm going to apply mathematics with principles of calculus to measure the changes over time, 18 months, to show the maximum number of actual subscribers, real people, to the Armchair Detective something, something, something exclamation point. Some of you might say, oh my gosh, I've got more subscribers than this bloke. As a start, the viewer is expected to believe that within the past 18 months, subscribers to the Armchair Detective's channel have increased 29,457%. That's the same increase as turning $200 into nearly $60,000 within 1 month. And then over 18 months, one claims to have turned $200 into over $1 million. This is what a 29,497% increase looks like. And the armchair detective is going to tell me that's random? I call BS. Where does anyone see random increases like this in real life? Nowhere. It's deliberate action by human beings. Comparably, ornithologists and Canadian Wildlife Service personnel actively participated in a 300-fold increase in population of the double-crested cormorant. Not a random event. It took human intervention over 20 years to achieve such a large increase. By May 2018, Armchair Detective has already begun purchasing or receiving subscriber bots in increments of 100 or multiple hundreds. Let's hear what he says on October 28th.
I've got 50,000 supporters, you know.
No, you don't have 50,000 yet, but you're purchasing your way to 50K in 100 bot increments.
How did I do that?
I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. This graph represents the acquiring of subscribers to Armchair Detective's channel. Some are real people, most are bots. From May 24th, 2018 through today, about 18 months. Time in increments of 1 week is represented across the bottom of the graph. I know it's quite small, but the viewer will comprehend the rationale for a single image when values are added. The left side lists the number of acquired bots plus real subscribers at 500 count intervals, having the range of 0 to 44,000. As I said about 4 minutes ago, a social media activity analysis site says that it takes 22 months to acquire 1,000 real subscribers. 22 months is 669 days. So some number multiplied by itself 669 times results in 1,000. In YouTube's case, 1,000 subscribers. This is an exponential function. The equation is written x to the 669th power equals 1,000. Well, how do we solve that? First, we'll take the natural logarithm of both sides. The rule of logarithms tells us that we can pull out the exponent and multiply it by the natural log of x. 669 are the number of days it takes to get to 1,000 subscribers. The natural log of 1,000 is calculated to be 6.90776. I want to isolate x, so I want to get rid of this number 669, so I'll divide by 669 both sides. This becomes 1, and 1 times the natural log of x is just the natural log of x. Computing the division on the other side, we get 0.0103255. The natural log of x may be written as log base e of x, still equal to 0.0103255. Now we can apply the rule of exponents. Log base e of x is the same thing as saying e to the 0.0103255 equals x. E has a value, just like pi has a value. I can solve this exponential phrase, x equals 1.010379. Back to our original equation. This is increased subscribers as the time changes. After 22 months or 669 days, the result is 1,000 subscribers. Solving this equation gives us the factor to be used, 1.010379, to calculate the average gain of subscribers on any one day. So I used the equation for the Armchair Detective's channel. Day 669, or 22 months, is October 18th, 2019. Instead of having 1,000, the Armchair Detective says he has 42,800 in Malta. That's 41,800 bots. Just a number, not real people. On December 16th, 2018, nearly a year ago, the equation shows 42 subscribers. Armchair Detective said he had 7,000. That's 6,958 bots. bots. Just a number, not real people. 3 months later, March 16th, 2019, that's the day he said, "Within 36 hours, I'm up to 31,000 subscribers." He should only have 107. That's 30,893 bots. Just a number, not real people. 2 months later, on May 17th, 2019, Armchair Detective tells us he has 38,000 subscribers. He should only have 203. That's 37,797 bots. Just a number, not real people. On July 22nd, 2019, the day that began a week-long ban from YouTube, he claimed he had 41,186 subscribers. He should only have 403. That's 40,783 bots. Just a number, not real people. These large numbers are not happening randomly. He starts losing bots by the hundreds as fast as he's buying them by the hundreds. So he's just staying even. And 2 months later, on September 17th, he says he has 41,100 exactly. He should have 726. That's 40,374 bots. Just a number, not real people. And by November 10th, he says he's got 43,900, but he should only have 1,268. That's 42,632 bots. Just a number, not real people. When examining November 10th's subscriber count, maximum of 1,268 real subscribers, but Armchair Detective claims 43,900. There is such a large difference between those two numbers. It's outside the range to perform standard deviation. What does that mean? It means that his number, 43,900, is an unusual and unexpected number. Further examination of this 1,268 subscriber count number requires decrease. Why? Because YouTuber AD urges associate perps to open multiple YouTube accounts with multiple YouTube usernames over multiple URLs with use of multiple devices. And YouTuber AD tells associate perps to enlist family members and friends to subscribe and do the same. These multiple YouTube username accounts also reduce the factual real subscriber number. I wonder if public persona Michael Shaw will continue to scurry around YouTube writing fictitious subscriber numbers in comments. I'll reply, I call BS, not even 1,300. By use of AD's words, together with daily notices of subscribers from his homepage, let's close out this video with actual depictions of activity, May 24th, 2018 through today.